my channel. So we're about to head to Walgreens to do a really quick spend 20, get 4,000 points, and to get an item for our July fireworks thing they have going on right now for Ibotta. Mine is if I get 25 offers, I'll get like $10, but everybody's is different. Yours might be like 30, 40, or yours might be like 15 or something. I don't know how they do their math when they do that, but it's, you know, that is what it is. That's what I got, 25. So anywho, we're gonna head to Walgreens. We're gonna grab some one item for that, and then the receipt, I gotta spend, you know, any receipt, get like 2 cents back, but that does count also towards that $10 thing for Ibotta. So anyway, let's get going into the car. It is super hot out there. It is 93 degrees on this 4th of July, you guys. Happy 4th. I hope you all are enjoying yourselves. We're gonna have some fireworks. If you're curious to see what me and my family did today for the 4th, we are posting a video on our Hayes Boys Adventures channel. It's kind of like a family vlog channel. You go check that out. I will drop a link to one of the videos in there, but this video is going to be up before that video is up because obviously we're still doing the 4th. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into Walgreens. Alright you guys, this is going to be a really quick video. I actually didn't plan on doing a video, but I'm here in Walgreens today on the 4th of July. If you guys checked the channel earlier, I did post a CVS video. I did bomb at CVS. If you guys looking for like diapers and like some really free like money maker toothpaste, go ahead and check that video out. But right now we are in Walgreens, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Irish Spring. It is priced at $3.99, and there is a $3.50 coupon, making this only 49 cents. Then I'm gonna grab 4 of these soft soaps because they're on promotion. When you buy 4, you get back 4,000 points. They are also in Ibotta for 50 cents back. So when I submit this to Ibotta, I should get back $2. And I don't have the coupons because, like I said, I didn't plan, but there are 50-cent coupons if you go on softsoaps.com to print out, so you can get $1 off. And these big ones here are priced at $1.99 this week. Then I'm gonna grab 2 of these Febreze car air fresheners. They are priced 2 for $6, and there is a $3 off digital coupon in my account that I went ahead and clipped for it. So all of this together should equal me $20 and some change. I have a spend 20, get back 4,000 points. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab these items. I'm gonna submit to Ibotta, get back my $2 plus the 4,000 points, or sorry, $4 Walgreens cash for buying these 4, plus the $4 Walgreens cash for spending 20. So when I'm done with this transaction, I should be getting back $8 in Walgreens cash and $2 from Ibotta. So let's go ahead and check out and make sure that everything works out as planned. Alright, that's it. Anyone? I guess the original. We got the other one. Oh no, that's for a second one. $15.30. That's like the $3.50 and a $3 coupon. Alright you guys, so that went great. You see here I have my soft soaps, and hold on. Alright you guys, so that went perfect. You see there, you see my 2 soft soaps at the top, then the Febreze, that was 2 for $6, and then oh I'm sorry, the AC is on. There's the Johnson's & Johnson's baby wash. That is like the whole real reason why I came out to Walgreens today, was because the babies have a slip and slide for the July, and yeah, I wanted to throw some of that on there to make it extra slippery for them. So that's why we went to the store, and I was like, while I'm there, let me just do this really quick deal, because I had to spend 20, get 4,000 points. So anywho, back to this. My subtotal after the $3.50 for the Irish Spring came off and the $3 for the Febreze came off came to $13.94. I got back $8 in Walgreens money for buying 4 of these soft soaps, and the 4,000 points for the spend 20, get back 4,000 points. Then I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back the $2 from there. So all in all, my total transaction was like, what, $3? So $13.94 minus 8, because I got 8 back. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 is $5 minus 2, because I got 2 back from Ibotta. So $3. So everything here came to $3 and what, 94 cents. And if you want to use the tax, so you could say $5.37, I guess, which for all of these items is still a really good deal. I hope you guys did enjoy this really quick video here for Walgreens. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I am really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are at 518 right now. If you're not quite sure how to subscribe, you hit that red word that says subscribe and turn it gray, and that's how you get it to subscribe. If you're on a phone, flip it upright, so the picture is smaller, and then you can see all the bottom stuff, and you'll see a red subscribe. Hit that and turn it gray with the bell, so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. But you guys, thanks for returning. For those that are returning, thank you so much for holding me down for so long. It's been about a year now. And I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.